What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today is May 6, 2021, and it is a Thursday, Friday Junior, Friday Eve, whichever one you prefer to say, that's what day it is today. And the market, overall crypto and just the regular markets are pretty trash for the most part. Even yesterday and today were the first days of crypto being, well, I can't just say crypto, but Dogecoin more specifically, of course, being a little bit steady declining, just a tad bit here and there. I want to say we're down about 10 cents in the last 48 hours, which is still really high compared to where we used to be. But of course, everything's higher than we used to be. But the normal market as well has been bad. But I think it's safe to say that crypto in general was just down today for the most part. So it's not just Dogecoin, it's everything except for a few exceptions that are, gaining momentum on a Wall Street bets type of run. Like I want to say SafeMoon was trending when I last looked, maybe an hour ago. I think Ethereum Classic was on the run, $120 something. It's funny, I was actually trying to buy it, not last night, but the night before when it was at, I want to say $78. That's what I had my limit buy. I was about to put $5,000 in it, but it never hit. And yeah, the rest is history. It's in the $100 range now, so I missed my chance of getting in at that rate. I don't want to get it anymore because we're at the triple digits on that. So fuck that. I actually, like I mentioned in a few videos, back, I sold out of my Crown holding stock, or my options, and I ended up with about 19,000 just money sitting in my Robinhood account to invest. And today, since it was a red day again for everything, I decided to throw the money in. And a smart person would have evenly divided the 19, rounded up to 20, so maybe 4 or 5 stocks with 4 or 5,000, dedicated to each one. But no. I like to put all my eggs in one basket, and I did that today and yesterday on Salesforce. In fact, you can see it. I put all 19,000 in there. It's funny, I only got 6 contracts with $19,000, but they're very long-term, and really, I think all of them were in the money that I bought because I'm scared. It's a lot of money, But each little percent for me moved so much return or loss. For example, my total return today was 6%, if I'm reading that right. Yeah, 6.38. That's $1,100. So just imagine how sad I was yesterday, because I went up $1,100 today. Yeah, a little bit over $1,100. And I'm only up $48 today. So imagine how sad I was yesterday when I bought these 5 contracts right here. I was down 1,000 something or another before the market closed yesterday, and I was like, why? What did I just do? Because I put, I think, 14,000 yesterday in the ones I bought, and so, I was like, did I just fuck myself over or what? Like you see right here, 14 grand, and then I bought one for 5,000, and the only reason I bought it, really, again, I don't do any research or anything like that, but a lot of companies use Salesforce, a lot of sales-based companies. My company as well that I work for, we use a version of Salesforce. And with a lot of work from home right now, I mean, it doesn't make a difference. We're still using Salesforce regardless. And I feel like it just went down a stupid amount this past week. As you can see, $14 to $15 almost in just 1 week. The month we're down $3, and then the year we're down $21. Like, if you look at the year, it does these little run-ups, and then it goes back down. This one, we didn't quite finish the down, compared to everything else, but I'm expecting to steady out and then shoot back up again. And again, I got long term. I think is long term at least the end of the year for the most part, October and November. And they only got to go up. Like for these 5, my break even is $228, so that's $10 has got to go up. This one, I think it's like, how much was it? 221. It's got to go up $3 between now and then. So I'm pretty much safe for the most. It's like the most safe bet. Not technically, it's not the safest because it could always go down. But in my eyes, it's one of the safest options I've put. And I expect the only thing that actually I take that back. The only thing that scares me right now is they got their earnings call on the 27th of this month, and I think the last earnings call they did, it just tanked down for no reason because they beat expectations. But I want to hopefully sell it just in case. I don't want to risk it all. I want to sell at least a majority of them. I want at least. I'm hoping my goal is to make at least 50% profit before March 27th. That's my goal. And then I want to get out of it, see what happens after March 27th, hope it goes down, and then I'll come back in. That's it. Okay, that's enough about Salesforce and whatever. Now, we'll go back to Dogecoin, which, for the most part, it's been pretty damn steady if you look at it. Almost a straight line. It goes back to it, then it calms down a little, then it goes back to 60. Between 58 and 60 is what we've been at today. And anyways, let's just go ahead and pop into the first article. Desert News, I've never read an article. I take that back. I think I did read it last time. But it says, Tesla CEO Elon Musk hints at Dogecoin joke coming to SNL. I mentioned this on my Twitter. If you guys haven't looked at it or follow me on Twitter, be sure to do so. I'll show you it in a minute. And it's from Herb, I don't know how you want to pronounce it. This came out today, not too long ago, about 2 hours back. Let's see. It says, Tesla CEO Elon Musk recently I swear every article likes to use this T word, touted Dogecoin when he was approached by fans to sign autographs, according to a video footage that surfaced on social media. In the video, Musk is shown walking on the streets of New York when he's approached by avid fans who show him papers and toy Tesla cars to sign. As he signs them, he asks what kind of jokes they want to see during his SNL appearance. The word Doge can be heard several times throughout the video. Is Doge your number one choice? He asks. The fans around him respond with a resounding yes. Then Musk is asked whether or not he'll be throwing out some Dogecoin jokes on SNL. He responds, "We will see." And then there's a video. I don't want to click it because it may be copyright. I don't know. But it's literally that. Then it says Musk and SNL. Bazinga reports that Musk has already pitched some jokes about Dogecoin for SNL, on which he will appear on May 8th. You better book it. Musk previously said on Twitter that the Doge father would definitely appear on SNL, which was a direct reference to Dogecoin. This would be a huge deal for the crypto, which has spiked 11,000% since the beginning of 2021, and that is not a typo, my friends. Herb didn't type that incorrectly, okay? The crypto hit an all-time high earlier this week, just days before Musk's appearance on SNL. As I wrote for the Desert News, investors expect Musk to talk about Dogecoin on the live sketch comedy, which would create interest among anyone who watches it and lead to potential new investors. If more people invest in Dogecoin, the value will rise, making people even more money. Wow, Herb is such a genius. I never knew that. If more people invest in Dogecoin, the value goes up, guys. Who would have? And then you make more money because the value. Damn, my mind is blown. Gosh, I wish they would have taught me that in college. But anyways, that's pretty much it. The Tiger King star launched a Dogecoin competition. Kind of. Dogecoin is worth more than Coinbase, which sells cryptocurrency. Does a whale cause Dogecoins? Are these just okay? I'm fucking stupid. All right, that was the first article. It was okay, I guess. we got a little bit of info out of it. This next one is a Market Watch article, and it says a 25 billion Dogecoin whale lurks, but Robinhood CEO says we don't have significant positions in any of the coins we keep. So he's saying Robinhood is not that whale, basically. This was today as well, literally 2 hours ago again, and it was written by our good friend Mark. Alright. Any coins that we hold are for the purposes of sort of providing access and holdings for our customers. We don't have significant positions in any of the coins that we keep on proprietary basis or anything like that. That's Vlad Tenev, CEO of Mars. CEO of Robinhood Markets, speaking at a fireside chat on Thursday, hosted by the popular brokerage platform, attempting to dispel any lingering speculation that Robinhood may be so-called Dogecoin whale, maintaining a massive stockpile of the crypto for its own benefit. And I have seen a lot of speculation as well, saying that Robinhood holds a majority of all the Dogecoin out there, or at least a good percent of it all. Back in Feb, digital asset enthusiasts became briefly obsessed with speculation linking Robinhood to a Dogecoin wallet address that was valued at around 2.1 billion. The Wall Street Journal in February reported that it had identified records that showed that a person or entity owned about 28% of all Dogecoin in circulation, a stake worth about 2.1 billion at the time. That stake is presently worth about 25 billion at Dogecoin's current value at around 60 cents per coin, according to CoinDesk data, translating to roughly 42 billion with a B Doge, assuming the address didn't accumulate or sell any coins since February. Bloomberg quoted Tom Robinson, chief scientist and co-founder of Elliptic, as saying that his data pointed squarely to Robinhood as the founder of the crypto cash. It almost certainly belongs to Robinhood, he said. The timing of its creation and the creation of the addresses that it received funds from, matching the timing of Robinhood's support of Dogecoin. Robinhood began offering Dogecoin trading to its customers in July 2018. Was it really that long ago? I guess I just didn't look at it for a damn year. Or two years. Robinhood's new crypto-focused chief operating officer, you can just say C, okay, Christine Brown, who was also featured in the fireside discussion, said that she wanted to put a finer point on the brokerage's role in crypto, to put like a super fine point on it. On behalf of the firm, we do not trade, hold, or lend. We don't take part in any activity when it comes, to crypto. The only thing we do is we, at the direction of our customers, buy and sell on their behalf and custody in a segregated manner, Brown said. Tenev said that Robinhood has been learning how to cope with a surge in demand for Dogecoin on its platform, which has led to a number of outages on its trading apps in recent days. Bitcoin and more recently Dogecoin have been at the center of the surge in interest in crypto assets on Robinhood. Dogecoin has risen more than 12,500% so far in 2021 and has gained more than 100% in the year to date. By comparison, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is only less than 1%, is up about 12%, and the S&P, the Dow Jones is up about 12%. Today it's only up almost 1%. And the S&P 500 has gained over 11% this year. So pretty much if you were to invest it in Doge instead of these index funds, you would have been in a way better place than what you are right now. But that's a risk. Bullish Doge investors are hoping that SNL guest host appearance of Elon Musk, one of the biggest champions of Doge and the CEO of Tesla, could provide a fresh catalyst for the meme stock. Robinhood is planning to go public at some point and has been trying to bolster its relationship with customers months after its decision back in January to limit trading in some stocks, including GameStop. Robinhood has added millions of customers rapidly, both on its traditional brokerage platform and in the crypto unit that has become without growing pains. Hasn't come without growing pains. So pretty much Robinhood is waiting to do their IPO until people aren't as pissed off at them, but that's never going to happen. So many people are holding their grudges still, which they should, after the whole GameStop, limitations and all the other, retail stocks that happened, whatever month that was, January or February. It feels like so long ago now. But yeah, people are always going to be mad about it and swear not to invest or use Robinhood ever again. I know I've seen a lot of people on Wall Street Bets saying they're gonna short it as much as possible to make it come crashing down. So I'm sure Robinhood is scared. Anyways, that's the last article there. This is my Twitter. If you even made it this fucking far on the video, congratulations. Go ahead and subscribe to my Twitter because you a real one for making it this far on the video. It's RD Studio YTube. The most recent thing I tweeted out was this painting picture of, you can tell what it is. My buddy, co-worker, he's actually making a painting right now of Dogecoin related for, Elon Musk SNL appearance coming up soon. This is only 1/4 of the canvas. There's more that's going to be added. He's actually working on it right now. I'll tell you right now, the next piece that's coming into this painting is Elon Musk himself, and we'll see if he gives me an update on how it looks. I'll be tweeting it out. I don't know if he's going to be selling it or not, but it's just nice to see the artwork and just how nice it actually is. He's a pretty good artist. He did this really quickly, honestly, and I'm excited to see what the actual end piece looks like, because for how fast he made this piece of it was amazing. Moving forward, what is trending right now? Floyd Mayweather. Let me check real quick. See, Safe Mood is number 6 trending right now. I think that's about it. Yep, that's it. And the Paul brothers is trending on like almost all these different hashtags right now. I seen that Floyd and Logan had a press conference today, from what I believe, and Jake was there, I think, and Jake, being his dumbass self, went ahead and I guess did some stupid shit, and one of Floyd's bodyguards punched him in the eye, and then you could see Jake being a little bitch and almost crying after he got hit. But instead of, acting like he was being a little bitch, he's acting like he was a tough guy that just took the hit, whatever else. But in the video, you can clearly see he was being a little baby about it. And then now he's saying that, I don't know if it's, I just seen it somewhere. It might, why did I click on that? Where's it at? Where's Jake Paul? Where is it at, man? I don't want to waste so much time right here. Golly. Okay. Let me just type up his fucking name. Jake P. Where is he at? Yeah, you don't even pop up? Oh, wait. Never mind. Gotcha hat. What the fuck does that mean? This didn't age well. Where's it at, man? He just tweeted it. Honestly, have had 3 easy fights as a pro, so been itching for some real action. One of Floyd's 30 bodyguards got a clean shot on me in the eye. Respect. This is what I'm looking for. Word on the street already is that Floyd is sending goons after me to try and kill me or hurt me. If I die, I died for the hat. The hat. I don't understand what the hat is. Did he like grab Floyd's hat, or what the fuck does that even mean? I don't get it. Was this it? I don't wanna put it too much. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna end it there because that was some weird ass shit. You know, those Paul brothers are always up to no good. Jake more specifically. Logan's finally maturing a little bit here and there, but every now and then he does some stupid shit as well. But don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget May 8th, Saturday Night Live. Book it, be there, be square. You're going to miss out on Dogecoin rising up to $1. And leave a comment below if you think Dogecoin is going to hit $1 after Saturday Night Live or leading up to it or around that same, around that time frame this weekend. Is it going to hit $1? Do you think so or not? And I will see you guys in the next video.